Hey guys, Kendall here. Thank you for stopping by. And today I'm going to be talking about something that I found really special, and I think that you'll find it something that will be very important to you as well. Before that, click the link below, and I'm going to be giving you some special bonuses as well. Now let's jump into the demo.
VidBamboo is an innovative cloud-based AI platform designed to empower beginners in creating and ranking YouTube videos effortlessly. Utilizing cutting-edge, algorithm-adapting technology, it transforms any keyword into profitable video content that ranks on the first page of YouTube, bypassing the competition without any prior experience in SEO. This platform eliminates traditional barriers by allowing users to create impressive niche-based videos in just 3 simple steps: speak your ideas, review the automatically generated content, and watch your videos dominate the search results. VidBamboo promises safe, white-hat SEO solutions, ensuring long-term reliable rankings while maintaining the ability to adapt to ever-changing algorithms. You don't need to worry about backlinks, competition, or complex SEO tactics. VidBamboo simplifies the entire process, making success accessible for anyone. Join the satisfied users who have experienced significant traffic increases and boosted earnings simply by embracing this powerful tool. Take advantage of our risk-free trial today and start generating targeted clicks and profits with VidBamboo. Don't miss out on revolutionizing your online presence. Get instant access now.
For watching this video. Don't forget to pick up the bonuses after you purchase. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.